and taking already like the spots now.
But really, can you speak more loudly, because I cannot.
I am on mobile phone, Mr. Todd. I don't have internet.
Okay,
from laptop.
So you are not. You are in the car.
Yes, we are still traveling. So, but this night around midnight we will be in Luxembourg. But we already captured several places in Stuttgart, so we almost will finish it soon, and then we go to Luxembourg.
Okay, so take your time. Okay, so everything is okay, no exception.
Yeah, everything is fine. Only yesterday I wrote you, we had some issues on the road, especially from the
long queue
border with Croatia,
to Slovenia. Yes.
Yeah, long queue, and also there was some bike tournament, and the roads were closed for quite a long time. So we waited a lot.
Yes, it is normal during the holiday time. And be lucky that this was only the one barrier in your travel.
Yeah, from this side there was nothing, and from this now coming back in return we have some issues, but now it's okay. We almost arrived. We are already finished almost, and then we arrived this night in Luxembourg.
But Stuttgart is about, I think, 3 hours, no, to Luxembourg.
Yeah, 3.5 hours.
Okay, so take care, and we hope to next week you will present your catches.
Yeah, for sure. And now, Mr. Todd, I think it's so night. We left some spots to capture. So when we capture all, we need to keep the light. So can we just move out of the meeting for now?
Yes, okay. Of course.
And see you in the next week.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye. Take care. Bye. So
okay, so we can start, no?
So, Joel, you are the moderator, so please go ahead.
Okay. So welcome to the web meeting. Today, Joel is your moderator, and the agenda is first tour of the table, second ISO quality standards for our projects presented by Mr. Todd.
Yes.
And third point is any other business.
Okay.
So we will start with the tour of the table. Please, Attila, tell us about your week.
You know, I'm the most important, but I think I'm the less important. Man, I am working hard here in my office in Slovakia. But last week it was really not only working here, but I was working physically in our garden. It was very hot. So this was a very, very pleasant week until Sunday, when it came the raining, but this was also needed. And now this week we started, as I added the file, the quality manual, to certify Novitec for a new standard, so recertify, because we have a quality standard, but now it's a newer quality standard which all serious companies must behave and must follow. I will show you some samples in the points, but so far that's all from my part.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Attila. Please, Pratik.
Good evening, everyone. So, in my last weekend, I'm in my college only, and there were tests going on in my college. Also, I worked on contact list for remote assistance, and yeah, so studies are going on as well, and soon there will be exams for the studies.
Exam, but what subject, Pratek? What is the subject of your exam?
It's departmental subjects related to ocean engineering.
What?
and so ocean engineering. So
Ocean
it's about,
engineering. Interesting.
yeah, yeah. So it's about hydrostatics, marine design, and
Oh.
there is also lab tests related to it. So yeah.
You might be thinking that how to make a maintenance of a submarine, for example, or some vessel using the
Yeah,
ICD smart glasses. You have to put it in your exam to the professor. You have to surprise him with something. You say this is
yeah.
an industry for zero, Mr.
Like
Professor.
I'm working on a simulator. So it's a virtual reality simulator for aircraft carrier operations. So like operators. So there are many operations that is carried on an aircraft carrier for perfect landing and takeoff of aircrafts from that vessel.
But
So I'm
what is this simulation? This is the task given to you by your professor, or you selected this task yourself?
I selected this task for myself. It's a BTech project. So in this, like there is one operator who will be trained how to give signs to the aircraft and what all operations that takes place on the vessel. So using virtual reality, he will be
Say
trained.
this is a
To,
BTech project. BTech is our innovation class. British Technology
it's
Education Council, BTech.
no. BTech is Bachelor of Technology.
Ah, Bachelor of Technology. Okay, okay.
Graduate graduate degree.
Why you don't utilize what you are doing for us? The remote
Yeah,
assistant. It is not forbidden.
no, it's not forbidden. We can use it.
Then you develop once and sell it twice. First of all, sell it to your professor. Second time, sell it to our project. What you make.
Okay,
But
we.
anyway, we are interested when you finish this marine VR. Maybe it is interested for us and uh, as a training, you think, or learning, yeah, virtual learning.
Yeah, yeah, for training of workers or training of operators to perform some operations on the ship or on the aircraft carrier, let's say.
Very good. Very good. So you should use it. Our structures, the steps, work order, but maybe other meant big steps because training means always some points, some steps to do and tests. You know
Yeah,
about this that we have a sample test of worker from the heat plant.
yeah, I know about.
So
So
you develop
so in
something
IIT,
other concept. I'm ready to hear about this. And
yeah, so
do we have completed already the contract with you, or something
uh,
missing?
one thing is missing. The PayPal account is missing in the contract. So I haven't made PayPal account yet because I haven't received my PAN card yet. That is required for the PayPal account. So I will receive it in 2 or 3 weeks. So other
Oh,
than that, I have signed the document and
so
send it to document.
you are on the move, your part. Yes, we are waiting for you, not the opposite.
Yeah,
You are waiting for us with something to do because
yeah.
Dominic is now on holiday for 10 days, so you know about him. He
Okay,
he's in
okay,
Croatia with his family, so
okay,
he'll be back by end of next week, I think, or end of this week or next Monday. Okay, Protector.
okay.
So good luck for the exam. Anyway,
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you,
Thank
Pratik. So, about my week, I was solving some issues regarding the screenshot and also some
what virtual tour?
no, the screen capture in i3D project.
So this is assignment from
Yes, yes,
Dominic.
yes. Andrew saw some issue, and it was not uploading, but that's very no, it's nothing. Then also modifying the user interface and making it better uh, by Andrew points. He gave me some things to do, and I was solving it. And that's pretty much all. So if you want to start with the point, Mr. Atla.
Yes, but I have questions. Where are you now, Joel?
I'm in Valencia, in
And
Spain.
now still are on holiday or started the school?
No, I'm starting the school next week. Now I'm going and doing some documentation before the start because they need uh, some some documents about me, but starting next week.
Okay, but this is not the job for next week. So I hope you see. Sometimes you can copy to me. Also, if you have some results or some to know what are you doing, because finally I approve the bonuses for each
Okay.
month. So I must know. Don't be ashamed. Of course, I'm not interested in some technical discussions, but if you deliver something, finish something, so please put me in the copy in your mail.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you. So we can go quickly, but it is not a quick subject. What I put, I only, if we open, I will take a screen. I'm here. So I'm here, share screen, because I want to show some samples.
I am opening it if you.
No, but you cannot. I know how to navigate. Of course,
Okay. Okay.
open it, but
I
I
got you.
want to share, and now I want to show. Can you see or no?
Yes.
Everybody, perfect.
Yes, yes,
So,
Mr.
of course, we are speaking about ISO. This is the quality standard in each company how to make processes. But this is full, how to say it, list of not only the quality manual, what how to do, how to work, but you have to also document your main procedures. For example, in a real company, uh, how to document information. I always push you to make documentation, client consults, teamwork. You remember. So this is not my joke, but this is international, how to say, good practices. How to control risk and opportunities, control competence, awareness, so training, learning, calibrated equipment. This is maybe not important, but process 05 is important for us. Control of design and development. So how to do it. Control of purchasing, how we purchase, and then customer satisfaction is also very important, not only for Novitec but for also e-content. And internal audits, that how evaluate the quality, and also review by management and so on. From this, I want to show you only the quality manual, and in this quality manual you can have it. I think this quality manual, you have it attached, and this maybe you can read the most relevant, only to see how such such documents relates, what is the domains which are covered, and but also important is what customer satisfaction. Wait, where is the? I wanted to show you from the contents improvement. Can you see customer production services? Can you see customer satisfaction?
I think it was page 29. Customer satisfaction.
Yes. So, and please read what it says, because this is an international best practice description that have done analysis and evaluation. But wait, customer satisfaction. I just no, not this performance. Customer satisfaction. What I did. Control F. Customer satisfaction. Did you find it? Because I was just satisfaction. No matches. Yeah, because it's double I. Sorry.
It is in front on the screen, customer satisfaction.
Yes. Satisfaction. Customer 9.1. 9.1. You're right, 29, but this not in this part, but it is in a part customer requirements. Customer requirements. So how to deal with customer requirements. Here is important. You know, what you have to do. Inquiries, quotation, everything in writing, confirmation of orders, amended orders. It looks like boring, but you should keep in your mind, and we will apply it first of all to Novitec, and then we will apply it to e-content. Everything we have to, of course, archive, emails, letter, general correspondence. But fortunately, we have our portal some way. Also feedbacks of customers, and the team of Novitec Group companies. So e-content belongs to Novitec Group. For ESTEP method of communicating with our customers to ensure inquiries, contract, order handling, include amended customer feedback and complaints are handled expeditionally and professionally. So, but this we say, this is not true. We have to ensure that this will happen. So this is the format of ISO 9001 and the latest version of Quality Standard 2015. So in the school, if you listen about ISO, so at least, did you learn something about ISO, International Standardization Organization? ISO stands for, and 9001, it is quality management. Hello? Did you learn somebody in the school?
No, I didn't know about ISO.
What?
I didn't know nothing about ISO.
No, so therefore I put it into the program, because we are working on it, and I want to a little bit brief you about this. So Of course, if you are interested in some of these, I can send some procedures. But they are nice pictures, nice schemes, what you can read and understand, you know. So this is about all processes we have. And then the process itself, the procedures itself are, of course, as I show you in the description of procedures, for example, description of procedures, and now control of customer satisfaction, you know, and are the process. This described in detail. It always starts some process diagram, how to deal with the customer. We have to develop, you know, here is who is who, and we call it process map when all the process is, you know, activity net with what customer requirements, feedback reports coming. The activities monitor customer perception of degree to which these needs and expectations were fulfilled. So for a virtual tour city, what are the expectations, for example? Who do it? Sales marketing manager, Nargis, for example, quality manager. We don't have it, but it doesn't mean that we have a special person only for this. Somebody can have a role. And then what are the inputs? Customer compliance, NC report, areas of concern, product and service conformity, external providers. And because we can outsource to our partners and output conforming processes, continual improvement, customer satisfaction reports and surveys and so on. So this is, you know, this is the general overview, and there are quality standards which are related to this. And then is application of scope, and then product returns we don't have, but we can have if somebody cancels his membership in virtual tool city platform. Okay, many things we don't even have for the recognition and awards. So growth of key accounts and so on. Analysis of credit. Okay. So on-time delivery, very important. That's what we promise. The date we deliver, but not only toward the client, but also inside the company between us. Okay, so these are examples, and each process is described, and the manual says how to and when we have to apply these processes. That's all from my part. So I return back to our stop sharing. So that's all. Sorry. Did I stop? I think
Yes, it's stopped.
Stop, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so that's all. Maybe some questions? Or no?
Not really. From my part, no.
No? Okay, so that's all. I hope next week we have more frequent program, and Dominic comes back from holiday, and also Yusuf and Nargis will be back. So maybe already tomorrow let us wait for next Monday. They will post their virtual tours taken all over Southern Europe. This is very interesting next week. I hope.
Okay.
Okay, Joel. So thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Atla, for the.
And tell me, you have some task for this week also from.
No, not yet.
So ask them. Ask
Yes,
Andrew.
I have to ask Andrew.
Okay. Because we are facing many presentation in the coming weeks, and I want to have the best version, remote assistant and everything. And sometimes there are many things, small things, which seems to you and the developers that are small, but in the eyes of customer, this can be a big problem. They mainly notice some formalities, not some big functionality behind. So therefore, if you have some issues, you have access to the portal issues, yes?
Yes.
Do you have?
Yeah, I mean, it's you mean the portal?
Issues, open issues, solved issues. If you can also raise an issue, enter new issue, what you think,
Yes, I have access. Yes.
and you can raise issue. Even they don't give you an assignment, but you may have with your eyes something for improvement also. Don't wait for the guys only.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all. Thank you again, Joel, for moderation this week today. So we can close the meeting. Have a nice evening today and successful week to all.
Thank you, Mr.
Bye-bye.
Atla.
Thank you all for coming, and bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.